Hi friends, join us for an unforgettable hike through the tea plantations and mountains of Sri Lanka. Experience the breathtaking views and adventure of the Peoko Trail, Stage 2, from Galaha to Deltota. Don't miss out on this incredible journey. The Peoko Trail is a 300 kilometers, meticulously curated long-distance walking trail that winds its way through the enchanting central highlands of Sri Lanka, often regarded as one of Asia's best-kept secrets. We arrived in Deltota the day before our hike and stayed at the Show Me Lanka campsite, which was conveniently located near Deltota town and close to the starting point of the second section of the trail. Nestled in the heart of a tea estate, the campsite offered stunning views of the surrounding mountains. It was a popular resting spot for hikers on the Peoko Trail. After a hearty breakfast, we set off on our adventure at 8 o'clock in the morning. The weather was perfect, sunny and bright, ideal for a hike. Today's walk is divided into two parts: the journey from Galaha to Deltota and then from Deltota to Lulakandara. We are started from Deltota, the longest part of the Stage 2. The first stretch from Galaha to Deltota is a short yet rewarding hike. It starts with a kilometer-long walk along the road leading to Galaha General Hospital. Shortly after, the main road is left behind as you enter the picturesque Deltota estate. Although locals may advise taking the main road to Deltota or Lulakandara, ignore this and keep to the left. The path through the estate is far more scenic. Divided into 22 stages, this extraordinary trail takes you on a captivating journey through South Asia's most breathtaking mountain landscapes, lush tea plantations, and diverse ecosystems. Along the way, you'll encounter vibrant local communities, each offering a glimpse into Sri Lanka's rich traditions, warm hospitality, and unique cultural heritage, making the experience as meaningful as it is adventurous. From Deltota, the walk continues for 50 meters along the main road to Galaha before turning steeply uphill to the left. The road soon turns into gravel and forks right. For the next 2.5 kilometers, the trail takes you through an old pine forest, shaded by towering trees. This section is prone to leeches, so proceed with caution. At the 8.3 kilometers mark, the trail meets an old tea estate road that zigzags up the mountain. As the morning sun begins to rise, the air is crisp and fresh, filling your lungs with the earthy scent of pine. The path through the pine forest is peaceful and serene, with tall, slender trees towering above, their needles swaying gently in the breeze. Soft beams of sunlight filter through the branches, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. The ground beneath your feet is a mix of pine needles and soft earth, muffling each step as you move deeper into the woods. Birds chirp softly in the distance, their songs blending with the rustling of the trees. The quiet beauty of the pine forest creates a sense of calm and tranquility, offering a perfect start to your hike. The trail here is wide and easy to navigate. As you approach a village, it becomes more intricate, so it's best to rely on a GPS device to follow the route. At the 4.6 kilometers mark, cross a bridge to your left. This is an important turn. If you feel lost, ask the locals for guidance, as they'll steer you correctly here. The route has several twists and turns as you near Deltota town. The forest hike presented a thrilling challenge, as the narrow trail wound through dense woods, often difficult to follow. Streams trickled beside the path, their cool waters adding a refreshing touch as you carefully navigated over rocks and muddy patches. At times, the path became unclear, with thick bushes and tall grass growing above your head, making it difficult to see the way forward. Every step required focus and determination as you pushed through the overgrown trail, feeling both the excitement of the unknown and the exhilaration of the adventure. The quiet beauty of the forest, combined with the rugged terrain, made the journey all the more rewarding. The small streams along the trail are incredibly refreshing. Taking a moment to dip your hands or splash your face with the cool, clear water can provide an instant burst of energy. The streams not only help to keep you physically refreshed, but also offer a mental respite, as the soothing sound of running water calms the mind and recharges your spirit for the next stretch of the hike. As the elevation increases, the views become even more spectacular. The trail remains wide and easy to follow. Near the 9.3 kilometers mark, the path levels out close to the summit. To your right, you'll notice a communications tower slightly above the trail. Be cautious here, as the terrain can be slippery, especially on rainy days. During a mountain hike, it's important to pace yourself and take regular breaks to rest and recharge. Find a shaded spot to sit, take a few deep breaths, and drink water to stay hydrated. Eating small, nutritious snacks like nuts, fruits, or energy bars will keep your energy levels up without weighing you down. Listening to your body and resting whenever you feel fatigued is key to maintaining your stamina. The nature along the trail remained beautifully preserved, untouched by human hands. It was a wonderful hike, a seamless blend of adventure and tranquility, where every step felt like an immersion in the raw beauty of the wilderness. As we walked, we were greeted with breathtaking scenes, vast landscapes, vibrant wildflowers in full bloom, and the gentle, refreshing wind that carried the scent of earth and greenery. The experience was further enriched by the simple pleasure of tasting wild berries, their sweet and tangy flavor a reminder of the purity and abundance of nature that surrounded us. The windy mountain range was an inspiring sight, stretching endlessly into the horizon. As the cool breeze swept through the peaks and valleys, it carried with it a sense of freedom and exhilaration. The wind seemed to whisper secrets of the mountains, adding a lively energy to the air. Standing at the summit, the vast panoramic view was nothing short of breathtaking. Rugged peaks rising majestically, bathed in soft sunlight, while valleys below were cloaked in mist, creating a sense of mystery and serenity. At the 9.7 kilometers mark, you'll pass an abandoned village, followed by a small river crossing. The trail narrows for about 300 meters, but painted concrete posts in yellow and red make it easy to stay on track. By the 10.5 kilometers mark, the narrow path transitions into a wide tea estate road, leading into the upper divisions of the Lulakandara estate. This section includes a significant highlight, James Taylor's original cottage. As you walk through the area where Sri Lanka's tea industry was born, you'll come across a track on your right leading to the cottage. Kanagala Lakadura Tea Estate, part of the renowned James Taylor Estate, is located in Sri Lanka's Central Highlands. This estate is historically significant as it was one of the pioneering tea plantations introduced by James Taylor, the Scottish planter credited with establishing Ceylon tea in the 1860s. The estate is nestled in a picturesque landscape of rolling hills, offering stunning views of the surrounding mountains and lush greenery. Known for producing high-quality Ceylon tea, it holds a special place in Sri Lanka's tea history and continues to operate as an active tea plantation. The legacy of James Taylor is still evident in the region's rich tea heritage and enduring charm. From here, it's a gradual descent through vibrant tea bushes. The surrounding scenery, featuring massive rock formations and a dense high-elevation rainforest, is breathtaking as you approach the end of the trail. By noon, we reached the summit, arriving at the tea estate. The intense heat of the sun burned against our skin, making us feel even more fatigued. At this point, we were tired, but with every turn, a stunning view awaited us, easing our exhaustion. We felt a sense of victory for completing the journey on foot and a quiet satisfaction in the quality time spent immersed in nature's beauty. As we made our way along the path, two young girls adorned with flowers greeted us warmly. Their bright smiles and cheerful nature were a delight, and they were clearly cherished by the visitors to the tea estate. A little gesture, like offering them sweets or a small snack, would light up their faces, bringing them immense joy. Their innocent joy and curiosity added a sweet charm to the journey, reminding us of the simple pleasures that brighten the soul. Staying in a mountain cabin offers a peaceful retreat from the bustle of everyday life. The cozy, rustic charm of the cabin, nestled among towering peaks, creates a perfect haven for relaxation. After a day of exploring, a tasty, home-cooked meal awaits, filling the air with comforting aromas. The Show Me Lanka has small cabin and camping tent offer a charming, simple escape, equipped with all the essentials for a comfortable stay. Inside, the warm, inviting atmosphere is created by cozy furnishings. A snug bed provides a peaceful retreat, while a small sitting area invites relaxation. A compact bathroom offers modern amenities, ensuring convenience despite the rustic surroundings. Large windows frame beautiful views of the mountains, allowing nature to feel close. With its blend of practicality and comfort, the cabin serves as a perfect, tranquil getaway in the heart of nature. They offer accommodation and meals for a reasonable price. The meals were a highlight of the stay. Each dish was freshly prepared with care, offering a delightful mix of flavors that showcased the local cuisine. Whether it was a hearty breakfast to start the day or a delicious dinner after a long hike, the food was not only nourishing but also a true treat for the senses. The combination of cozy accommodations, heartfelt hospitality, and delicious meals made for a truly memorable and rejuvenating experience. The stay at Sri Lanka campsite was incredibly comfortable, marked by a warm and welcoming atmosphere from the moment we arrived. The hosts greeted us with genuine kindness, making us feel right at home. Their hospitality was exceptional, always attentive to our needs without being overbearing. I highly recommend staying at the campsite while tackling stage 2 of the Peoko Trail. It offers the perfect blend of comfort and immersion in nature, providing a peaceful and scenic base to rest before or after your hike. Located conveniently near the trail's starting point, the campsite allows easy access to the adventure ahead, all while surrounded by breathtaking mountain views and lush tea estates. In this exciting Peoko Trail hiking adventure video, we explore some of the most scenic and breathtaking trails in Deltota. Join us as we trek through stunning landscapes, encounter wildlife, and share helpful tips on how to prepare for your own hiking trip. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more adventure-filled hikes and outdoor guides. Comment below and tell us about your favorite hiking trail or share your hiking experiences with